This video is to show you how to use the PNG pre-cropped digital stickers and also the Goodnotes digital sticker book. So to start off, I'll show you how to use the PNG pre-cropped stickers. And to do that, we're going to go into split screen mode. So I'm going to bring files off to the side because that's where I downloaded my stickers. So once you download the sticker file to your device, you can go ahead and do this and open this up. And then we have the stickers divided up by color. And then once you click on the color sticker that you want to use, you can then decide if you want to use brush strokes and highlights, icons, shapes, washi tape and labels, widgets, or words and numbers. Right now I'm just going to click on icons. And then to get this sticker onto your planner, you just want to click and hold and then drag it over to your planner. And now you can resize it, you can turn it if you want. And that's how you add the PNG digital stickers to your planner. And now I'll show you how to use the Goodnotes sticker book. And to do that, you'll first want to install it onto your device and then upload it to the documents in Goodnotes. And I already have it uploaded, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. And it'll bring you to this home page. This is where you can click on any icon, widget, shape, words, numbers, etc. and in any color sticker that you'd like to use. And also this digital sticker book is completely hyperlinked, so you can click on any color that you'd like to use. So if I click on this color right here, it will take me to the dark blush stickers in widgets because I clicked in the widget section. And you'll notice that in the widget section, there's 11 icons down here. That just means that there's 11 pages for the widgets. So if you click through, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 11, you'll be able to see all the stickers within each page. And to get back to the main screen, you can just click this home icon right here. And then I'll click under icons. And you can see that the icons are all on one page. Click the home button again, and then words and numbers. And you can see the words and numbers have 4 pages. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the numbers are on the 4th page. And to add the stickers to your Goodnotes planner, you can go ahead and click on any color that you'd like to use under whichever category you'd like to use. First, make sure that this pen icon is highlighted so that you can click the sticker, and make sure that the lasso tool is on so that you can grab your sticker. Click on the sticker, click again, click copy, and then go back to your planner. Hold down, click paste, and then you can move it to wherever you'd like. You can make it bigger or smaller, and turn it. And that's how you add stickers from the Goodnotes sticker book to your planner.